these onions are so huge. I've never seen anything like this, and they're only 500 shillings. That's like 5 cents. I want to buy beetroot. Look at these beets. They are very big. Only 5 cents for all these, so I'm definitely buying them. Carrots are for 500 shillings. That's like 5 cents. Look at this. It's an entire basket. I mean, I have to buy them, so. You want to test if the cabbage is nice, you just beat like this. So this one only for 300, that is like 3 cents. Of course we are taking it. It's given us these 2 cauliflowers for 300 shillings, that's like 3 cents. So we are taking them definitely. Eggplants were only 300, which is like 3 cents. Guys, we're in the market, but it's raining. We're going to buy for 200. So guys, these are the veggies that we bought from the market, and we are going to prepare them. So we have a cabbage, we have beetroots, we have onions. Oh my god guys, see how big this is. I've never seen onions so big. And then we have eggplants, we have cauliflower, we have carrots and tomatoes. And of course we are going to start by washing them. I have 2 saucepans, one to wash and one to rinse, so that everything is very clean. And they look so tasty and yummy already. Look at that. Melissa is helping me to chop, plus Ivy is also helping us. So this took hours and hours. I'm just going to run through it. So if you want to skip the part where we start cooking, I'm just going to put for you the timer on the screen. We have our cauliflower, we've chopped it, our tomatoes, our onions and carrots. They look so yum already. Look at that. So now let's chop the beetroot, nice and purple in color. Now let's chop the cabbage. And we also have garlic, so we are using this mortar to pound it. So it's now done as well. So now everything is done. We've chopped it up. All looks nice and fresh and very healthy. Right now we are making the charcoal stove because it's the one we are going to use to cook. So guys, it's time to cook our healthy veggies. So I'm going to use some vegetable oil, dry, because it's on fire. I don't know how much to put. I hope I don't put too much. I'm going to add onions first. So our onions are cooking. Started to rain, so I had to find like a veranda where there is shade because it's raining. So guys, our onions are golden brown as you see, so I'm going to add tomatoes. Tomatoes and onions. My microphone went off at this point, but we are adding the carrots to the onions and tomatoes. Then now we are adding cauliflower. It looks so delicious already. What do you guys think? What do you think about my cooking skills so far? Drop a comment in the comment section. Now we're adding some eggplants. And then some salt. Try to make sure I don't put a lot. Then we're adding the cabbage. So the cabbage takes up a lot of volume, and you see the saucepan is full. But once the steam gets through the cabbage, it will just shrink. So my saucepan is not small, it's just enough. I'm making the second charcoal stove where we're going to prepare the cassava bread. That guys, it's cooking very well. Drop a comment what do you guys think of my cooking skills. Looks very yummy already. So we are going to first boil water to make the cassava bread. So I'm adding garlic last to give us that aroma. And then just adding a little bit of water, not a lot, just a little. So the water for making the cassava bread is ready. I am not so good at making it, so Ezra is helping me out. He's very good at making this bread. He makes it almost every day. Yes, so this is cassava bread, guys. It's not ugali or anything. It's cassava bread. That's what we are going to make. Cassava bread is stickier and stretchy than ugali. So the technique is different because they put it on the fire and then take it off. You can see he's making it on the ground now, and then he'll put it back on the fire. So the technique is different from when you're making ugali. If you've ever made cassava bread, let me know how you make it in your culture. But in our culture, this is how we make it. Now then we put it back on the fire. It's quite interesting. So, and for the second time, back on the floor. This is our cassava bread, and this is our healthy sauce. So it's time to eat. Guys, this is our food. It's ready to be eaten.
Okay. It's yummy.
It's very nice, guys. So guys, I hope you've enjoyed the video. Subscribe, like, share, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye bye.